guys.
Hi.
We're going to rap to the Terminate by Lemonade Mouth, or try to. We tried to record it, so maybe we can do it. So we're gonna try to.
He's like veteran reggae lemonade. Single head and bandmate better than my whole is picking up seven. People don't stop. I heard them say knock. Cause come to your house where people smell the raindrop. I'm real deal, you know how I feel when it will know the sun. So get down now. Try to play around with people with run and make that sound like that.
Yay!
Yay.
So, like if you like us rapping. Do you like our glasses?
Mine kind of broke.
She looks cool. New Jersey style. So, you comment below, please. We need a comment, but comment what you want us to do in our next video, because we can do literally anything. Yep. Thank you. Bye.